How to screenshot on iPhone without buttons. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. We are all very much familiar with taking screenshots by pressing the power button and the volume up button together. However, there are other ways of taking screenshots too. The first method is go to the Shortcuts application on your device. You can add various automations here. Tap on the plus symbol on the top right of your screen and then tap on Add Action. You will see a search bar there. Tap on that and then search for screenshot there. You will see the option for Take Screenshot. Tap on that and now tap on Done. With this, the automation will be activated. Now, if you tap on that option, iPhone will take a screenshot automatically. You can also add the automation to your home screen. Tap hold on the automation until you see these options there and now tap on Share. You will see the option for Add to Home Screen. Tap on that. You can rename the automation and change the picture if required. I will leave it as it is and now tap on Add. With this, the automation will be added to the home screen. You can tap on that and you can see it takes a screenshot automatically. For next method, firstly, make sure you have enabled Listen for in Siri. To do that, launch the Settings application on your device. In the search bar, search for Siri and search and tap on that. Tap on the Listen for option and set it to Siri or Hey Siri instead of Off. Now say Hey Siri, and once Siri is enabled, ask Siri to take a screenshot and the screenshot will be taken. You can also take a screenshot with AssistiveTouch. If you haven't enabled AssistiveTouch, then go to Settings and tap on Accessibility. Under Physical and Motor, tap on Touch and then tap on AssistiveTouch. Make sure the toggle button for AssistiveTouch is toggled on. You can also custom actions if you want. For instance, if you want to take a screenshot by double tapping the AssistiveTouch, then tap on the double tap option there and select the screenshot option. And now every time you double tap the AssistiveTouch, you will be able to take a screenshot. You can also tap on AssistiveTouch once and then on Device and then on More. You will see the option for screenshot. Tap on that and your iPhone will take a screenshot. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.